2 decades, a host of scientific studies involving laboratory animals and more recently natural worldwide populations have documented compellingly that certain environmental hormones can turn individuals with the genes to be male into animals that appear to be female. Among the most notable examples is Dutch chemical castration of male seagulls. Indeed, several natural experiments, chemical speech and pollution incidents have virtually proved the feminizing threat to birds, fish, and reptiles exposed by high exposure to estrogen-mimicking chemicals. Still unknown is whether humans face similar vulnerability to these pollutants, reproductive and health effects, and if so, at what exposures and over what period of time. A number of researchers have begun investigating this possibility. A few have even speculated that growing concentrations of this newly recognized functional class of ubiquitous pollutants might explain some disquieting findings among them. A growing incidence of breast cancer in men as well as in women, of testicular cancer in young men, and of a host of reproductive impairments in males from poor sperm counts to congenitally malformed penises. Plants absorb energy from the sun. This energy flows through a circuit called the biota, which may be represented by consisting of layers. The bottom layer is soil. A plant layer rests on the soil. An insect layer on the plant body, and rodent layer on the insects, and so on through various animal groups to the apex layer, which consists of the species of layer and like not in where they come from or in what they don't like, but rather in what they eat. Each layer depends on those below it for food and often for other services, and each in turn furnishes food and services to those above, proceeding upward each successive layer in numerical abundance. Thus, per every carnivore, there are hundreds of his prey, thousands of their prey, millions of insects, uncountable plants. The pyramidal form of the system reflects thus numerical progression from man shares an intermediate layer with the bears, raccoons, and squirrels, which eat both meat and vegetables. The alarming rate of ozone destruction presents a man-made environmental holocaust. Within a short time span, industrialized societies have rapidly progressed with reckless disregard for the damage they have caused to the vulnerable ecosystem, just as history will remember the folly of our generation for spending massive amounts out of limited resources to stockpile weapons of destruction instead of solving problems such as poverty, hunger, and homelessness. So will this generation be remembered for leaving a huge hole at each end of the globe.